Looking to keep your HVAC system cleaner, more efficient, and your indoor air fresher? Introducing the AmericanStart UVC Light Coil Cleaner, a simple, effective solution to help prevent mold and bacteria buildup inside your system. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need for installation: a UVC lamp, power brick, magnetic mounting bracket, and all necessary hardware to get started right away. The mounting bracket features an improved design that securely holds the lamp in place. It's made with camo of metal for durability and includes a strong magnet, making installation quick and hassle-free. No complicated setup required. The unit operates on a 24-volt AC power input, 50 to 60 hertz at 1.1 amps. One end connects directly to the lamp, while the other connects to your power source. It also includes a built-in LED indicator, so you can easily confirm when the unit is powered on. This is a 14-inch UVC lamp operating at 254 nanometers, designed to effectively target mold and bacteria. It offers up to 2 years of life with minimal performance degradation. Assembly is quick and straightforward. Start by removing the 2 thumb screws from the bracket plate. Insert the lamp with the connection socket facing the magnet side. Hold the lamp in place using the plastic cap while reinstalling the plate and tightening the screws. Just make sure not to over-tighten. Next, connect the power brick by inserting the pins fully into the lamp socket. Then slide the plastic sleeve over the connection and secure it. And that's it. Your unit is ready to go. Available at all our store locations and online at perdomodistributor.com. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more products and updates.